LIFE-Aurinia.
LIFE-Aurinia has vastly improved the habitat of the marsh fritillary butterfly
In the German state of Schleswig-Holstein.
To this end, the project team converted 234 hectares of agriculture land into species-rich grasslands, an area the size of around 440 football fields. In addition, 9 subpopulations of the endangered butterfly were reintroduced to the area. Several nectar plant species, meanwhile, were established for the marsh fritillary to feed and pollinate. For the project to leave a lasting legacy, a number of so-called after-life conservation plans were developed. Crucially, the international network of experts that was set up under the project will protect the marsh fritillary butterfly well into the future.